Hey guys, how's it going? Just a quick one. I want to talk about solar panels. So this was a solar panel that was on the roof of the little yellow truck. Some big engine thing driving past. And it used to come through the roof, through a charge controller down to the battery. And it used to keep it alive so I could have my fridge. Smart little thing. I think it was about a 75 watt panel, something like that. But now it has no real output. So we've got 19 volts coming out the end here, but as soon as you get any kind of load on it, it won't even light the charge controller up anymore. As soon as you put the slightest bit of load, it just shorts out and dies. Goes straight to no volts. Just like that. Doesn't always come back that quickly. Sometimes it takes a lot longer. So it got me to thinking about solar panels and how to kind of identify on a second-hand panel whether you should buy it or not. And because of that, I started actually looking at the cells in this panel. Now, if you don't realise, these are actually in two lots. So you've got a terminal on each side here. So you'll normally have a positive on one side and a negative on the other. And then they join down at your bottom section here. So you're actually like that, and then back up like that for each of your cells. So each one of these squares is called a solar cell, and they're assembled into a solar panel. It only takes one of these cells to be weak, damaged, something wrong with it, and all of a sudden you've got issues. So anything that looks like that can be your weak link. And when you look inside this panel, it's got quite a few poor looking connections. So they often tell you with solar panels that they have to be through a charge controller. You never want to short them out, you never want to add direct loading to them. The main reason for that is because if you get to your halfway point, for instance, that little copper ribbon bar thing in there, that has to take half of the current of this whole panel. So as you can imagine, it doesn't take much to short them out and kill them. So this is probably a bit of a no-name panel to begin with. You see there's quite a bit of corrosion on a lot of these. So what to look for? Defects like these are definitely something you want to look for. You want to look for any burnt colours, any dark colours. Now, let me look at the back side of the panel. Multimeter out of there. You want to look for any dents or marks like those in the back side of the panel, in the plastic or the soft side. That's what's inside the terminal block, if you didn't know. So they have a direct connection, then they have a diode protected connection. There's only one thing that I haven't done, and I haven't checked to see if that diode could have potentially failed, but I don't think it has. See, if we had any power coming out of it, I'd expect some kind of arc. But yeah, that's what's going on there. You want to make sure that these don't look like they've ever been opened. Some of them are like this. You see inside this, there's some funny heat staining, like something's going on in there, whether there was moisture in there and it's built up and smoked up in there for some reason, who knows. You see there's some stuff on that cap. Yeah, this panel is going to be my soldering bench from now on. I reckon this is going to be the bench top for my soldering iron station and stuff, because it's just going to look cool in videos, and I like to look at solar panels, and it's a nice glass bench top, so that's what we will use it for. Unfortunately, we need to find another panel for the truck. I'm going to go and grab one off eBay that's similar dimensions, so I don't have to move my mounts, which I've got up there. And yeah, So for now, I'm going to charge the truck back up, and then we can put a new panel on when I get it. When I get a new panel, I'll put it in and show you how it all works. But yeah, just a bit of a look at solar panels, what can go wrong, what's gone wrong with this one. Just a bit of an explanation, just so if you're buying second-hand panels, you know kind of what to look at. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next vids.